I'm continuing to make 100 items for my bed and breakfast as a part of the 100-day challenge. Today's project is a book sculpture made with discarded books. For this project, you'll need forest wire, 1 or 12 discarded books, depending upon what you want to do, a ruler, a pliers, and that's it. For this pattern, we are going to fold 5 pages of the book in half. Then we're going to remove 5 pages. I use the ruler to help me get out all the crud that gets stuck in between. Then we're going to make 5 sailboats. Half on one side, fold down the half on the other side. You don't have to worry about being too fussy about this because at the end, little bits and variations aren't going to show. And then after 5 sailboats, remove 5 pages. 5, take a bows or in halves, remove 5 pages. 5 sailboats, and you just repeat until you get all the way to the end. I'm using my pliers to help remove some of the junk that gets stuck in the middle, and here it is all done. Look, had a lot of water damage on the inside of the jacket. So I grabbed some paper from my stash. I think this was like wrapping paper that I held on to, and I cut it down to size. Make sure if you do this that you leave room for the book binding, the yellow in this case. You don't want to cover that up, otherwise it'll look kind of fake. And I think this is what makes it looking authentic. To attach it to the wall, I use florist wire. I go down through the spine and then come up right through the middle of my folded pages, twist it, and make a loop. And it's ready for its final destination. There it is. So I walked it over to our bed and breakfast, and Darren helped me install 12 of them. He thinks we need 1 more row, and we'll see. Maybe I will. But anyway, like and follow for more.